Hello guys, Lady Lee here from Lady Lee's Home, and in this short video I want to talk to you about garlic scapes. I have a special place in my heart for those things, and a lot of people don't know about them much. So first of all, there's a whole lot of information about garlic scapes and a lot of recipes and stuff on the blog, so I will link to that below. But let's start from the beginning. So when we grow garlic, there are two options. We can go with soft neck garlic varieties, or we can go with hard neck garlic varieties. What you are going to grow depends on your growing zone. Hardneck garlic varieties do better in cooler climates, and the softneck is doing better in warmer climates. Here in central North Carolina, we're right in the middle. We're zone 8A now, and we can grow both hardneck and softneck. I grow both every year, and here's the difference. Softneck varieties will produce a bigger bulb with more cloves in it and delicious taste. You can braid this garlic, which a lot of people like to do for the visual hanging in the kitchen effect. The hardneck garlic is the kind that will produce a scape. The scape is basically the flowering stalk of the garlic plant. The bulb of this garlic will be a little smaller than the softneck variety. I think the two varieties that you see us grow here is Music is the hardneck variety, and Transylvania is the softneck variety. So we plant garlic in the fall. So about middle to end of October, we put this garlic in the ground, and it will germinate and grow a little bit, and then it goes to sleep for the winter. And while the tops are not developing and there's not much growth over the ground, the underground stuff like the roots are getting stronger, and this is a great time for the plant to develop a strong root system. Then when it starts warming up in the spring, you'll see the tops start to take off again. About May or so, mid-May, we watch out for garlic scapes. They will start small. Every garlic plant will have one garlic scape coming out from the middle of it. And when they do that one curl, we have to cut them off the plant as soon as possible. Because if we leave the scape on the garlic plant, the plant will direct its energy to producing the flower instead of producing the garlic bulb. Now we want bigger, firmer, tastier bulbs, so we want to tell the plant, hey, direct your energy back to producing a bulb, and that's why we cut the scape. So again, the time to cut it is right when it makes that one curl. You don't want to leave them on the plant too long, because then they will become woody and you won't be able to eat them. Garlic scapes are a delicacy, really. Again, we get one per plant, and you can treat them the same way that you'll treat asparagus. They are delicious roasted. They're delicious as pesto. They're great pickled. They have a mild, gentle garlic flavor. And again, there's a bunch of recipes on the blog and ways to preserve them that I will link to below. It is easy to miss them, especially if you're growing a lot of garlic like we do here. So you really have to go plant by plant and make sure that you get all the scapes. I went through these rows 3, 4, 5 times and still missed some. They camouflage pretty well, but it is important to get them as soon as they curl, so they're soft and they're really delicious. I usually bunch them in groups of 10 or 15, depending on 10 to 15 depending on the size, and then we sell a lot at the farmers market. This is how the plant will look after you cut the scape off. There sometimes you can see here that they get stuck, so you might need to help them and pull them out. Sometimes you'll find that one plant produces 2 scapes. That's not very common, but that happens too sometimes. So just monitor your plants and watch for the scapes, and just get them, just clip them right at the bottom of them when they make that one curl. That's it. I will see you again in the next video.